welcome to the first ever video from ByTheBaySoap company. My name is Felix Diaz. I'm the founder of ByTheBaySoap. We are an organic based soap company based out of Jacksonville, Florida. We do most of our sales online, and the purpose of these videos are to review some of the soaps that we have to offer on our website and the amazing benefits that they are to our body, to our beards if you're a beard person, to our kids, wives, and spouses, whoever's looking for a more natural way of bathing. So a little nervous. I used to do the YouTube thing on a personal channel. Now we're going to try to grow and develop this channel here, specifically towards the soaps and the benefits. Again, like I said earlier, the first soap that we have here, it comes in our recycled box here. And for the purpose, there you go, there's our logo. We're going to try to stay away from a lot of print and a lot of chemicals when it comes to packaging. On the back, you're going to get the ingredient list. It's very important to the people here, and for the purpose of this video, I'm using the ones that I use at my pop-up. So whenever I do set up the tables here in Jacksonville, Florida, when the people come over and smell these, they get to kind of see what they're about. So easy opening and the packaging there, very minimalistic look. As we open up the bar of soap, the first thing that you see is going to be the color of these bars of soap. So the one that I'm holding here is probably my favorite. It's the one that I normally use. It's truly an incredible bar of soap. This is our citrus lavender bar of soap. The benefits of citrus lavender: if you're working a long day and you're looking to unwind and relax but still have that freshness and amazing scent of oranges, I would definitely recommend this bar of soap. It gives you if there's a way to express it, because I know you wish that you were smelling this bar of soap right now, I would say that it would have to be summer all year long. This is what I would say that this bar of soap smells like, to me, in my opinion. It's 4 ounces, so as you guys can see here, there's a 4-ounce bar of soap. Usually lasts around anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how often you bathe. It is our #1 selling bar of soap that we currently sell, and I think when I started this whole organic journey myself into a more natural way of bathing, it was really just to find something that was gonna take care of my skin, something that would keep my tattoos looking fresh, my beard. I would put on and again, this is not to bash any companies out there, but other chemical-filled bottles of liquid soap. It would dry it out. It would, it would itch a lot, and I also saw it damaging some of the hairs where I would just, if I were to run my hands through my beard, it would cause hair loss, and I would probably correlate that back to it from not being a natural product, something that was probably killing my skin and my hair over time. So I was just going to review one, but I have a goal of a couple more minutes in this video. So this is the citrus lavender. It comes in 4 ounces, perfect for any occasion: birthday, Christmas. We also sell gift cards on our website, so if you're looking for a perfect gift that they can shop whenever they want, check their balance, just head over to www.bythebaysoap.com. Next one that I want to talk about is going to be probably another favorite of mine. So again, there's the box there. You got the ingredient label on the back, very minimalistic. And then of course, the black tea tree. So black tea tree is kind of mimicked after the African black soap. This bar of soap here smells incredible. A more manlier smell. People would tend to say that, like a cologne. But it's very beneficial to those people that are looking to ditch their old chemical-filled routine of acne solutions. If they're looking for smoother skin, help with dry skin, help with acne, help with athlete's feet. So if you're an athlete and you're having some trouble taking care of that, this bar of soap will definitely help you, treat that athlete's foot. A couple things that I will say about the black tea tree. The black tea tree oil in this soap is used in many different methods. You can create a black tea tree bubble bath, and in the black tea tree or the citrus lavender or the third bar of soap that I will be kind of going over today. If you use these soaps in the bath, if you want to run a bath and sorry about that. If you want to run a bath and you're thinking about creating a more organic bubble bath, you just grab the bar of soap, you hold it in your hand, water's flowing down, and you just twist the bar like this right here. If that's your thing, if you want to take a bubble bath, I don't know if you do, but if you did, that's what you would do. So you just kind of run the water over it like this. It'll create a natural bubble bath. Again, same thing with citrus lavender. So as I have these 2 bars of soap here, I'm just on a roll. I'm just gonna keep going. What else do we have to do that we're all kind of stuck in our homes? So I thought, why not talk about the product, talk about the benefits, and then also share off some of the cool colors that we have here. So the next one I will be talking about, and this is all a part of a bundle. We have a starter kit that you can purchase, and in that starter kit comes with every single bar that I'm going to be talking about right now. And I didn't do what I just did in the other ones, but again, packaging. This ByTheBaySoap emblem. It has the ingredients, and then the next one that we're going to be talking about is the peppermint leaf bar of soap. Again, 4 ounces, great bar of soap that comes with the starter kit. The starter kit usually just helps people get an introduction to the organic bars of soap or the organic soap in general. Or if you're not an organic person and you want to try something new that is a little different and that can help you with your skin, with refreshing, with acne, with a lot of things that your body is putting off, like the toxins of other things that you're eating is causing some harm to your body. Definitely recommend going this way in an organic, more looking way. What we can talk about, the peppermint leaf, it's a favorite of a lot of people. A lot of people use it in the morning routines when they're getting ready for work. It has menthol in it, peppermint leaves, cloves as well. So when you use this bar of soap, it'll refresh you, kind of get you ready in the morning. A lot of people that do shop it right now currently say that this bar of soap is probably one of their favorites when it comes to their wake up morning routine. These bars of soap, you can use them all over your body. So if you want to, skin to bar or bar to skin or loofah, you can lather up the loofah pretty good and use this and put that on your body as well. And this is, again, we have the citrus lavender, the black tea tree, the peppermint leaf, and last but not least, we have, again, just for the sake of it, you got the logo right there, got the ingredients. And then this one here is the oatmeal spice. So oatmeal spice, this one here helps with wrinkles, helps with exfoliation because of the cloves that are built in to this bar of soap. So if you're looking, and when I tell you this one here is like, it's a favorite. I'm not gonna just say that because it is, but it is a favorite. A lot of people say that once this bar breaks these first couple layers, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring that in there so you guys can kind of see all the cloves in there, right? So once you break that first layer of soap and you hit those cloves that are in here and you start to rub this guy in, it starts to exfoliate your skin and it causes like a natural scrub. And then once the warm water hits that bar of soap, it creates, and this goes for all of the bars of soap, guys, but it hits every bar, it creates a incredible aroma in your bathroom that the moment that you walk out of the room or the moment that you're out in public, or for example, I was working out, go to the gym, lather up with a bar, and then get ready for my day, and I'm coming, man, you smell great. They leave you smelling amazing, feeling amazing. That's why I always say, make the switch to organic soaps. Stay fresh, stay clean, go organic. Listen, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. The link will be in the bio for the starter kit. Also, while I have you here, we also have a subscription service. So if you're looking to ditch your chemicals, if you're looking to support small businesses, there will be a link in the description again with the website where you can check out the 3 tiers of subscriptions that we have available right now. And I just appreciate you guys tuning in. There will be a couple more boxes that will be unboxed. So right now, there we go. So there's 3 more bars of soap that I will be talking about in the next video. But for right now, just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Again, make sure to head over to the website, check it out, subscribe to the email list, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.